Well, hello everyone, and let's learn how to open the CMD. Let's press Windows button on our keyboard, type CMD, press enter, and the console is gonna open, as we can see. So how can we change the size of the text and color of the background and the text? It's easy. Let's go to right click on white surface here, properties, and now we have this like window and those panels like font, layout, colors. So let's go to font size. We can change the font family to be different, and we can change the size of the text. Let's change the size of the text. So as you can see, we changed the size of the text, and let's go back to properties, to font. I'm gonna switch back to 45, and now we're gonna learn how to change the color of the text and the background. Here, screen text and screen background. Screen text is gonna help us change the color of the text, and screen background is gonna help us change background color. So let's go to screen text. Let's check this as blue or red or whatever the color you want to pick. You can pick it, and let's type CLS. Now we can see the color of the text is changed. Let's go back to properties, let's go back to colors, screen background. Now we're going to change the screen background color of our console, and let's set that to be like red, and let's clear the screen. Now we changed the color of text and the color of the background, and we learn also how to change the font size. And now we're gonna type only color, and we're gonna switch back to original values, but we need to set that values to be regularly like green and black, because next time when we open the CMD, if we let it like it was red and blue, we'll get those red and blue colors. Now when we set the default value to be text color to be green and background color to be black, every time we open the console is gonna be by the default text is gonna be green and the background is gonna be black. So let's press OK. Let's go back to properties. Let's go to layout. This is interesting because layout is helping us change the size of the window. So width we can set 70 and height we can set to 20. Press enter or OK, click on OK, and now the size of the windows is 70 and 20. The other option is to drag like this window, and Windows gonna change his size, or click here to enlarge your window size. So that's it for now. Let's go one more tip. This is how you can type color and help, and now you have here some numbers and letters, and what it means: 0 is equal to black, 1 is equal to blue, 5 is equal to purple. And how we can change the color? We can do it like this: color and type number 5. So we said 5 is equal to purple. Let's press enter, and the color of the text is gonna change. So this way we can change the color of the text, but every time we type color, the default value is gonna be like green and black. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.